And I really like the theme going on here. Like, it gives you tips and tricks on how to be a better you. It's not just about beauty on the outside. It's also spiritually, mentally, and emotionally, and as well as physically.
Enemies can't stop me. And I got a big head. I'm blessed.
Hello beauty queens and beauty kings. Today is that time we are going to do the subscription boxes unboxing for the month of January. We're gonna do both of the subscription boxes together. As you guys know, I review different subscription boxes such as BoxyCharm, Sephora Play, Target Baby, Target Beauty, Walmart Baby, and Walmart Beauty, and I used to do Ipsy, but I canceled. And so if you want to know more about these subscription boxes, please stay tuned. Yeah, so today we're actually going to review BoxyCharm and Sephora Play. I'm going to review them together, and I'm going to try to make this as quick as I can so it's not too long. And so yes, you guys know these subscription boxes are amazing. I love them, and if you want to know more information on how to sign up, please just click on the links down in the down bar, or just go to Sephora Play or BoxyCharm to find out more about the boxes. By the way, if you are new, I want to say please subscribe. Welcome. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. And if you are a returner, an OD, a veteran, I want to say thank you so much for the ongoing and continued support. And right now the timestamp will be on screen if you want to skip right to the unboxings, because I'm going to quickly introduce myself in French. Donc voilà, salut à tous. C'est juste pour vous parler des subscription box pour le mois de janvier pour Sephora Play et BoxyCharm. Là c'est Sephora Play et là c'est BoxyCharm. Et vous savez bien que j'ai fait les revues sur Sephora Play, BoxyCharm, Target Baby, Target Beauty, Walmart Baby et Walmart Beauty. Donc voilà, j'ai tous les liens sous la barre d'infos, c'est bien organisé. Veuillez vous renseigner là-bas si vous voulez voir mes anciennes vidéos. Parmi tous les box que j'ai eu à faire, je pense que Walmart, Target, BoxyCharm et Sephora Play sont les meilleurs de ma part. Donc voilà, je l'ai fait chaque mois. Et puis si vous voulez vous enregistrer, allez juste sur BoxyCharm.com ou SephoraPlay.com pour avoir plus d'informations. Et voilà, c'est tout, hein. Si vous êtes nouveau, comme toujours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ancien, merci encore. On se voit à la prochaine vidéo. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager, commenter. Merci encore au bon Dieu. Toujours restez en paix et en bonne santé. On se voit à la prochaine. Ciao, bye bye. Okay, so we're gonna get into Sephora Play first. And guys, I must tell you, I love the Sephora Play box. It is amazing this month. I was so surprised. Like, I liked almost everything in it. They just keep doing better, I think. And this is just the card, and it just says a beautiful 2018. And that is just the card that gives you 50 points towards your purchase at Sephora in store. You can use it to redeem things at Sephora, so I really like it and I've used it a lot. And I really like the theme going on here. Like, it gives you tips and tricks on how to be a better you. It's not just about beauty on the outside. It's also spiritually, mentally, and emotionally, and as well as physically. So I really like the route that they took with this. Read it, guys. It's very helpful and I like it. I'm actually gonna hang this up because I think it's so motivational, and I like that, to remind us that makeup is not beauty. Your inner soul, how you feel about yourself is the most beautiful thing. So yeah, so definitely keep track. And of course, at the back we have all the products listed and why they chose it and how to use it and the brief description of each product. So that's always great. That is the bag. It is blue. You have a girl there. It just says Happy New Year 2018. That's it right there. Love it. And it's just a drawstring per usual. Ooh, the first thing we have here is Glam Glow. Okay guys, you guys know I love Glam Glow. Every time I've gotten one in their boxes, it was amazing. And this is just like a super cream to foam cleanser, and I'm really excited to try this out. It looks like it will really help for those of us who wear our makeup every single day. This will help purify and clean that up, so I'm excited to try this for sure. Ooh, next we have Boscia. Oh my god guys, so this is the Boscia exfoliating peel gel. So it's like a cleanser, so you're supposed to apply this to dry skin and just gently massage it into your skin in circular motion and then rinse it off. I really wanted to try the Boscia line, and I'm so excited that they put this in it, and oh my god guys, this is amazing. Next we have the Clinique Prep Start eye cream. This is part of their new line. It's always good to have extra eye creams, especially if they're hydrating, especially in the winter, because our under eyes will get so dry. So having extra eye cream is always great, and Clinique is a great brand. I've done so many reviews on their products, so definitely excited about this as well. Oh, we have the Anastasia lip gloss. Oh my god, we all love it. Love Anastasia. And I believe the color I have is Kristen, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not a lip gloss person, but because it's Anastasia and it's a really good safe color for me as well, I would definitely try this out. Oh my god guys, this Smashbox primerizer, you guys know this is so expensive and it's been a buzz on YouTube for so long, and I wanted to try it out, but I went and saw the price and I was like, girl, you can't do that. But having this as a trial makes me so happy, because now I can just test it out, and if I really like it like everybody says, I'm definitely gonna get it. So this box, just this alone, just made my day. Like, I don't know, my joy. It's not a lot, but it's a decent size for me to know whether or not I would love it. And so far I'm so excited, and the fact that I didn't get a perfume doesn't bother me, because I got this and I got the Glam Glow and Anastasia and Clinique. Sephora, how you doing? And last but not least, sadly for me, this is a small sample, so I will not be using this, but I know that it is a good brand, so if you're interested, you might want to try it out, but I can't, it's too small for my hair. Yes guys, that is all for the Sephora Play Box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that we didn't get a perfume sample, but like I told you, we got great things, so it definitely compensates for that. So please let me know what you got in your box. There's a couple of varieties of boxes, so we don't all get the same boxes, so I would love to know what you got, and if you got the same thing as me, and if you are so excited like me about your Sephora Play Box, please comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Please watch my recent uploads, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Always stay in peace and in good health, and praise God, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Ciao, bye bye. And now, if you are staying tuned, we're going right into the BoxyCharm, baby. And let me tell y'all, BoxyCharm for $20 a month, you guys do it right. Like this right here, bam. Okay, I already know how much this costs. This is the full size, and it's $38 on Sephora.com. And I have the sample size, and I love this. I actually been using this all week, okay, and I'm in love with it. It's just so nice, especially in the winter. I actually have this primer on today with my foundation because I have a sample size of this. So now we have the Crown Pro Glams Metal Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $25. The last palette that I got that was this size, I loved it. The quality was great. And it has a mirror in the shape of a guitar, as you can see. I don't want to blind you, and these colors are beautiful. It looks like it has two mattes, like this one and that one are mattes, I think, and the rest are all shimmers. So like I said, I have too many eyeshadow palettes, and I was very impressed with the last one that I got, and I'm pretty sure this will be good as well, so no mistaking on this one. But I have so many palettes right now that I think I might give this one away, but it's really nice. It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. This retails for $24. I don't like when people say universal, because we can't all wear the same colors, because we're all different skin tones, and so I don't like that. I feel like this might work for some of us, and it might not work for others, but I do love this packaging right here. Woo baby. And it has a spoolie, which is always great, and on the other side it has the pencil right here. And this looks like it's a dark brown. It says taupe. This will definitely work for me. Thank God. I was really nervous because I love collecting brow pencils because they're so expensive, especially the high-end one. So when I always get one like from a brand that I know, I'm so excited. So this is a keeper for me. Like this right here, oh, I'm so excited. So now we have the Pure Cosmetics, the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. That's a long name, guys. That's a really long name. Ooh, guys, that looks beautiful. And it has a mirror. Oh, God, this looks like it's a nice creamy, like cream to powder. I don't even want to touch it. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Ooh, guys, let me swatch it because I think this. Oh, baby. Look at what I actually wasn't gonna keep this, but let me tell you, that right there, beautiful. You can use it for your face or your eyes. It's gorgeous. Let's do this middle one. The middle one is a little bit chalky, but guys, this right here, whoa, like the quality, whoa. The bright color is also chalky going on, but the pigmentation and oh, it's amazing. Wow, pretty impressed. Last but not least, we have the Galactic Matte Lip Paint, and this retails for $23. It's supposed to be long wearing, non-cracking, lightweight. It will not settle in your lines on your lips, which a lot of lipsticks claim that, but I don't believe it. However, I think I will try it because I'm looking always for the best liquid lipsticks that will last long and won't dry me out and make me look crazy. Okay, this is a nice, beautiful color. Okay, the lipstick color right here, not bad. I definitely will try this out and see if this actually works, but I like the packaging. It's pretty cute. I had never heard of this brand, but again, it has a lot of claims, so we will put that to the test. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you are a BoxyCharm fanatic like me, if you love BoxyCharm, please comment down below. Let me know if you got the same things in your box, because I know they have been trying to do a variety here and there lately. So I think for the first month, both boxes did so well. I'm so happy. Like, if I didn't say go get it, I'd be lying. They are amazing, especially this month. I think they started off the year so great, especially BoxyCharm, because they ended off the year a little bit womp in my opinion. So both boxes did well. I recommend it, and I hope to hear your comments down below. And yeah, so let's get to know each other. Let's share this video. Let's get more people to watch, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to watch my recent uploads, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay in good health, stay in good peace, and always praise God. And I'll see you guys. Mwah. Ciao, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.